Welcome back to our YouTube channel here at ArmorTech. I'm Zach Craig. Today we have got a brand new 2022 mid-size Polaris Ranger, and we're going to show you how to put our new EconoSkin top on. And before we get started, let's have a look at the tool list. Now that we've got our product out of the box, what you can expect is to see our body and our bag number 67 that's got our mounting hardware and some of our weather stripping. And we will go ahead and mount the weather stripping onto the machine at this time. So we're going to mount the weather stripping along the top of our sidebar here. We're going to start about the edge of this bulkhead and just run it right along the edge of the seam towards the inside of the bar. We'll do this on both the driver and the passenger side. And we'll stop it right here at this weld seam. And then our next line, we'll start right at the mounting holes. We'll go along the back edge of this rear crossbar all the way to the other side of those mounting holes. Next, we'll grab a partner and go ahead and set the top body onto the machine. Now that we've got the top on the machine, we'll go ahead and get all of our hardware, nuts and bolts started. We'll start with our center hole right here. That'll go through the crossbar header in the front of the bike, and we'll find in our bag 67 a 1/4 by 1 inch bolt, as well as some of our O-rings, and we'll go ahead and slip that on the bolt now to help waterproof our holes in the skin. And then we'll back it with a flat washer and a nylon lock nut. We'll now come to the back of part of the top, and we'll find in bag 67 our 1/4 by 2 inch, and we'll go ahead and insert that in this rear mounting hole here, along with our O-ring for our seal, and that'll go through the rear section of the crossbar. We'll pull that down and go ahead and back it with a flat washer and a lock nut. And now we'll do the same thing on the driver's side. Lastly, we'll put our 1 inch screws into the front two mounting holes. Prior to doing that, let's pull this edge trim down just a little bit, and we'll go ahead and get both of our screws started. And then we'll push that edge trim back up over the edge of our bolts. And now we can back them with, again, a flat washer and a lock nut. And now we'll do the same on the driver's side. Again, we'll pull this edge trim down just a little bit and insert our bolts. Now we'll grab our impact with our Phillips P3 bit and a 7/16 wrench, and we'll tighten all this down. We're going to start with our front center bolts that we first put in to locate. We'll pull those down, do the back, and then we'll finish up with the 4 bolts in the front. And that completes the installation on our new EconoSkin top. You can enjoy it on your next ride.